Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a makeup look inspired by my nails. These nails were sent to me by the lovely brand Heavenly Angel, and I am so excited to do a look using these inspiration. Be sure to go check them out. I have everything linked down below in the description for them. If you guys want to see how I did this look using these nails, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get on into the video. I know this is probably like a really random first entrance, but my inspiration for this look are these nails that were custom made for me by Heavenly Angel. And if you want to get a pair of custom nails or just purchase some nails off of her, you can use the discount code BEAUTIES10 for 10% off. She is a super talented, hardworking girl who owns a small business, and she's literally so sweet. So definitely go ahead and support that. Again, my code is BEAUTIES10 if you want to do so. So she made 3 nail sets for me. She did this one, and then she did this one, which looks really similar to the Kiss nails that I always used to buy. And then she also did this really fun set as well for summer. But today, for creative look, I really wanted to match my nails with this set right here. And I'm kind of going for like the Queen of Hearts vibe. So I have my eyebrows in like extreme red blush. And then what I'm going to do is a makeup look to match the nails, and then we'll glue the nails on and we'll kind of see how it looks. I'm not going to glue them on right now just because I don't really want to get like foundation and a bunch of gunk on them right away, right as I put them on, because I want to wear them for like the whole week. So I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. I'm going to show you guys what I do for that, and then we're going to glue on the nails and we can see the final look with everything. In order to get the red on my eyebrows, I literally glued my eyebrows down with Got To Be Glued, let it dry for a little bit, put concealer over top, and then put eyebrows on with red eyeshadow from the Live With Love Morphe palette. And then I went in with Seek Change, this kind of pinky red for my blush, and then Act With Love for my highlight. And then now we're going to get into the actual eye look of this. But my camera's about to die, so let me change my battery really quick. Now that I have a new battery in my camera, let's get started on this look. So I'm going to go in and do my right side for you guys so you guys can see what I'm doing with that. And then, much better. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing on my right side, and then I'll do the left side off camera, and I'll take you guys through my process of how I glue my nails on. I have been very experienced with glue-on nails for a while. I've been using them for over a year now, I think, and I just can't go back to the salon spending 2 hours sitting there and dropping like $80 on nails. I just can't do it. So I really enjoy how fast glue-on nails are, and I've actually gotten them to stay. I got a pair of French tips to stay on for a month, which is like the same amount of time typically that you would have your salon ones on. So I'm like kind of down with the glue-ons. So I'm really excited and very thankful that Heavenly Angel sent me these, and I'm super excited to create a look with them. Let's get on into it. So I'm going to start with using the P. Louise base in Rumor 2 on this side, and I already kind of know the look that I want to do for this, so I'm really excited because this is going to be the first creative look I've done in a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna have what looks like playing cards sticking out right here. I'm gonna use white concealer to do that, and the white concealer I'm gonna use is the Morphe C.00, and I'm gonna use this to create that kind of card shape, if that makes sense. What I'm doing is just kind of creating that shape messily with the concealer, and then I'll fix it up and get it exact with the brushes in just a sec. So I'm taking the Morphe Avani Greg palette, and I'm gonna take the white shade and use that to set the white concealer that's on my eye. So you kind of get that card shape going. And then now I'm gonna dip into the Suva Beauty Hydroliner in the shade Grease. And I'm taking a Princeton brush, and this is from Michaels. It's just a really thin brush. That way I can get a really sharp line. And I'm gonna mix it around. And then what I'm gonna do is create the outline of the card. So I'm gonna start on this side, and outline. And then remember that the cards kind of have like a curve to them. Like you're not gonna have like a sharp square line, you're gonna have like a bit of a curve. See how I kind of outline that card? And then we're gonna put a heart and an A. And I'm just gonna continue going through and outlining the cards. Then I'm just gonna kind of let my eye look down so that it'll dry without making any lines. And then now we're gonna put A's and hearts and diamonds. Okay, so then next you're gonna create a really sharp kind of foxed wing eye. I'm gonna do this with a regular eyeliner just because with Suva I don't wanna like use a water-based liner where I'm about to glue on lashes. So I'm just gonna go over that base with a regular liner. This one is by Beauty Bakery. And then now I'm going back into Suva Beauty to create that actual like winged eye. I have these little black beads and I'm going to put them on the corners. Let the glue get a bit tacky. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I woke up with a headache today and it's just been one of those ones where it's been lingering all day. I'll push through though, don't you worry about me, I'll push through. It's just annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna take a black pencil, I'm gonna go on my waterline. And you're just gonna kind of messily underline. You're gonna go back into the Live with Love palette and you're gonna take that Stay Strong, that red, and you're gonna use that and like buff out the black with that red and kind of do that like under eye eyeliner trend that's been going around, but with red and black. And then what you're gonna do is grab a little brush and you're gonna go back into Stay Strong and mix it with Seek Change, which is a little bit of that pinky color, that's the blush. And you're just gonna really blend out. Give it just a little bit more of a smoky effect. Okay, so we're gonna pop some lashes on this one, add a little bit of highlight, and then we are gonna jump on to the other side and we'll do the lips and then the look will be done. And we can glue on the nails and I'll take you through my process with that. And then we'll have the full look completed. I'm gonna obviously change up my hair a little bit and make myself look a bit more presentable for the pictures. I'm gonna go do my other eye off camera and glue on my lashes and I will be right back and we'll hop into the rest of the look. I'm back. I put lashes on, I obviously did my other eye, I put lashes on the top and then I put the excess, like the part that I cut off from the lashes on the bottom just to give it a little bit more of that pow in the look. I used Morphe lashes in the style Irresistible. So I think pretty much all that's left for the face that I'm gonna do is my red lip. I'm gonna use my Dragon Beauty red lip. Okay, so now we're gonna move into the actual nail part of the look. Basically what I did is I just trimmed my nails to be at a shorter length. And then I took this tool that I have right here. It kind of has like a sharp edge. I'm sure a lot of girls have seen this. You can like snip off little hair ties or just little things like that. But basically I would just push my cuticles back and then take this and slide it across to get that dead skin off. You can also use the tool that they kind of use at the salon where you kind of like scissor it off your fingers. So I just make sure that my fingers are clean. I washed my hands, I trimmed my nails, and then I also went ahead and took the cuticles away. So now my nails are ready to be glued on. I did a sizing kit before receiving these. That way they could be made in my exact nail size already. That way we're not wasting as many nails, which is really good for the environment. So basically you get this glue with it, with the nails, and it's a brush glue, which is really exciting. So I'm gonna take you guys through it and I'm gonna start with my left hand. So I'm gonna start with my pinky nail actually. Okay, so the glue kind of comes like a normal nail brush and you're just gonna take the glue and paint it on your finger like you would normal nail polish. And I'm just really gonna make sure that the glue goes back into my cuticles and on the corners. And then to ensure safety, what I'm also gonna do is apply a light layer onto the nail itself. And I find that that really is the trick in making sure that the nail stays on for as long as possible. And then I'm just gonna take the nail, apply it and push it back and then push it down. And there it is on my pinky. There we go, and now we have two on. I'm gonna speed this up really quick and go ahead and finish gluing these on, but it's just really important that you put some on your real nail and then a little bit on the back of that fake nail, and really press it down and make sure to get it back with your clean cut cuticles and clean nails. And I will show you guys the finished look as soon as I have them all applied. Look at how cute these nails are. These are probably going to be upside down to you, but if you hold them this way, they are the correct way. And I'm really excited to wear these other ones as well. Like, I'm actually so excited. Maybe I should do a look with these pink ones too. Okay, let me give you like a quick little recap on how I apply my nails, just because that is a question I do get often since I wear them so much. How do I apply them? How do I get them to stay on so long? Prepping your nails before applying your false nails is like actually a really important step, and that's honestly what's probably going to make them stay the longest, just so that your nail is ready to have that glue and have that false nail on there. So what I do is I'll trim my nails. I don't need them to be super long, and honestly, whenever my nails are longer, it's more painful to me whenever I want to switch out my nails. So I just keep them short, file them as needed, just kind of in like a round shape. And then I will push my cuticles back, clean out my cuticles. The cuticles is the most important part because you want to push that false nail kind of a little bit into your nail bed, just a little. And that'll be what keeps your nails strong. And you know, when you shower, you run your hands through your hair and it'll stick underneath. It won't do that if it's under your nail bed. So it just kind of helps to keep it to stay longer, and it won't disturb the nail as much. Then I will just remove any dead skin on the sides or any hangnails. That just helps so my nails aren't as irritated, they won't get swollen, it's just more comfortable. And then I will apply glue on my nail and then also on the nail as well, and then hold on to it for a few seconds, and then it should be good to go. This nail glue is really good if you're gonna use like Kiss lashes or something like that. The other glue is a lot messier, so it's gonna get around. So just have like a towel ready to wipe down the sides of your fingers so you don't have glue falling off of them all day. This is really easy having this brush glue because you just kind of stick it on and you don't have any weird glue lingering anywhere on your hands, and it's much more of a like, okay, they're on, I'm ready to go about my day kind of vibe. That is all the tea on nails I have for you. I will definitely keep you guys updated, and you can see me wearing the other nails as well. Don't forget, you guys, I will have all of Heavenly Angel's information linked down below in the description. You can use my discount code at checkout, Beauties10. Thank you so much, Heavenly Angel, for sending me these super cute nails. I'm so excited to wear them, and they give me such great inspiration. All right, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, beauties.